The James Webb Space Telescope has done something amazing. It took a real photo of a planet outside our solar system. This kind of planet is called an exoplanet, and it orbits a star very far from Earth. It's located many light years away, in a completely different part of space. Before this, we only guessed these planets existed. Scientists looked at how stars dimmed or moved strangely and thought something must be causing it. They believed unseen planets were nearby, but we had no real pictures. We only had drawings or computer-made images based on scientific ideas. Now, that has changed because of the James Webb Space Telescope. It uses special infrared technology to see things that regular telescopes cannot. Thanks to Webb, we finally have a direct image of a real exoplanet. It's not an artist's idea, it's an actual photo taken through space. The planet is a gas giant, even larger than Jupiter. It's made mostly of gas, with no solid ground, and it has extreme weather systems. This exoplanet orbits a very bright star. Because of how bright the star is, taking a picture of the planet was incredibly difficult. Imagine trying to see a tiny firefly next to a massive spotlight. The light from the star usually hides the planet from view completely. But Webb is not a normal telescope. It has special tools that can block out a star's light to let us see what's around it. The method used is called coronagraphy. It blocks the brightness of the star, making the planet next to it visible in the image. Even more amazing is that the light from the planet took hundreds of years to reach Earth. We are seeing the planet as it looked long ago. That light traveled across the universe to get here. It's old light, but it still holds valuable information about the planet. Webb also studied the planet's atmosphere. It found gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane floating around it. These gases tell us a lot about the planet. Even though it's way too hot to support life, it still helps scientists learn how planets form. By studying such planets, we can also figure out what to look for in planets that might be able to support life someday. Before Webb, space missions mostly looked at planets in our own solar system. Mars and Jupiter's moons were common targets. But exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, remained a mystery. We knew they were out there, but we couldn't see them clearly. Now, Webb is changing how we explore space. Its instruments allow us to collect real data from worlds far beyond our solar system. Scientists can now study things like a planet's weather, its temperature, and what chemicals are in its air. One powerful method is watching how starlight filters through a planet's atmosphere. This tells us what the atmosphere is made of. This is especially useful in the search for life, because it shows if elements like water or oxygen are present. The exoplanet Webb recently imaged cannot support life. But the big achievement is proving we can now take real images of alien worlds. This changes everything. Being able to capture light from a planet and not just the star it orbits is a huge step forward. It means we can study more exoplanets and maybe find ones that are more like Earth, with better chances for life. Some of these distant planets orbit 2 stars, while others spin so fast that their entire year is only a few Earth days long. Some planets are stuck in daylight forever. Others are trapped in endless darkness. These strange places are not science fiction anymore. They are real worlds, with their own skies, temperatures, and even storms. Each one is different from anything we've seen before. Webb can even see through clouds of dust and gas. These are the places where stars and planets are born. They are like the nurseries of space. By studying them, scientists learn how solar systems like ours come to exist. Knowing how planets form helps us understand what kind of worlds might be able to support life, now or in the future. In the past, scientists mainly searched for planets. Now, they want to understand what those planets are really like. Webb's tools are sensitive enough to detect even small amounts of gases like oxygen and ozone. On Earth, these gases usually come from living things. If we find them on other planets, it might mean life is out there. That would be the biggest discovery ever, finding proof that we are not alone in the universe. The light Webb captures has been traveling across space for centuries. Looking at it is like looking back in time. This reminds us how powerful human teamwork and science can be. It took many years and global effort to build the Webb telescope. Seeing a real alien planet makes us think about big questions. Are we alone? Or is life more common than we think? We don't have the answer yet. But with every discovery, we get a little closer to understanding our place in the universe. That faraway gas giant is not just a theory anymore. It's a real planet we can study. And this is only the beginning. Newer space telescopes are already being planned. They will look even deeper into space to search for planets like Earth. Future missions will look at those planets' atmospheres to find signs of water or life-supporting gases. Until then, the James Webb Space Telescope keeps working. It continues to scan the skies, gathering more knowledge from far away. Each piece of data adds to our understanding of space, time, and life itself. Maybe one day, we will find another planet like our own. Curiosity keeps pushing us forward. The universe is huge, and we've only just started to explore it. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.